Okay, let's talk about de-identifying sensitive information in logs. Imagine a company wants to remove personally identifiable information and pick card information from their application logs before storing them in cloud storage. What's the best way to do that?
Cloud DLP, or Cloud Data Loss Prevention, is their solution. It can automatically detect and redact sensitive data, such as names, addresses, credit card numbers, and other PII, ensuring those logs are anonymized before being stored. It's like having a digital shredder. Cloud DLP finds and destroys any sensitive information before it can be exposed.
That's a powerful tool for protecting sensitive data and complying with those privacy regulations. Now let's zoom in on the Helicopter Racing League and their AI ambitions. They want to improve their race predictions, which are currently done using TensorFlow running on VMs. They want to improve these by using managed AI and ML services. What Google Cloud services can they use to host and manage their TensorFlow models?
Two great options for hosting TensorFlow models in a managed way are Vertex AI and BigQuery ML Vertex AI, which kind of evolved from AI platform, provides this comprehensive suite of tools for building, training, and deploying machine learning models, including TensorFlow models. On the other hand, BigQuery ML allows you to create and execute machine learning models directly within BigQuery using SQL queries.
So Vertex AI is like a full-fledged machine learning workshop, while BigQuery ML is more like a built-in machine learning workbench, right, within your data warehouse. Both services offer those powerful capabilities for working with TensorFlow models. And the choice between them, depends on the specific needs and workflows of the Helicopter Racing League. Finally, let's talk about managing IAM policies across different departments in a large organization. If you want to control permissions for each department centrally, but still allow for some departmental autonomy, what's the best organizational structure?
Using a single organization with separate folders for each department is recommended. This hierarchical structure lets you set IAM policies at the folder level, which inherit down to all projects and resources within that folder, like a family tree,
Yeah.
the organization is at the top. Then each department branches out, and each team within a department branches out further, inheriting permissions as they go.
That's a great way to visualize it. This hierarchical structure provides the flexibility and control needed to manage IAM policies effectively, especially in a large organization. It's a perfect blend of centralized control and departmental autonomy. Wow, we just zipped through 50 Google Cloud Platform questions. It feels like a crash course in cloud solutions.
I know, right? It's amazing how much ground we covered. From migrating all those legacy systems to setting up streaming data pipelines, even dipped our toes into AI and ML.
You're right. And it was really cool to see how these concepts actually apply to real companies facing all sorts of different challenges. I especially like those Helicopter Racing League examples. Talk about putting cloud technology to the test.
Yeah, those case studies really bring the concepts to life. It's one thing to understand the technical details, but seeing how these services solve real-world problems drive innovation is pretty awesome.
Absolutely. So, for our listener, having soaked up all this knowledge, what are some of the key takeaways you'd want them to remember?
Well, first and foremost, it's clear that Google Cloud Platform offers an incredibly diverse and powerful set of tools.
It really is like a giant toolbox equipped with everything you need to build and run amazing applications in the cloud.
Exactly. And another key takeaway is the importance of choosing the right tool for the job. We saw how different services excel in different areas. BigQuery for data warehousing, Dataflow for data processing, Kubernetes for container orchestration.
It's all about understanding the strengths of each service and then using them strategically to create the perfect solution, for your specific needs.
Precisely. And I think it's also important to emphasize the value of security and compliance in the cloud. We saw how services like VPC service controls, Cloud DLP, and IAM roles provide those essential safeguards for protecting sensitive data and ensuring compliance with regulations.
Absolutely. Security is like woven into the fabric of Google Cloud.
Exactly. And one final takeaway, perhaps the most important one. The cloud is constantly evolving.
Right. New services are launched, existing services are enhanced, the possibilities are constantly expanding. It's a really exciting time to be working in the cloud, and it's so crucial to stay curious, keep learning, and embrace this ever-changing landscape.
Couldn't agree more. So as you continue your cloud journey, remember to stay informed, experiment, and never stop exploring those incredible possibilities that Google Cloud Platform has to offer.
And hey, if you ever feel overwhelmed or have any questions, just send us your sources and we'll be happy to guide you through another deep dive. Until next time.
Happy clouding.